welcome back to my channel Creative Reflections. So in this video we are going to learn how to make the textured paste. Three type of textured paste we'll learn. First will be how to make the textured paste for the background. Second will be to make the textured paste for this type of painting, and third will be to make the textured paste for the palette knife. For that we need three ingredients. Let's take a look. So here I have taken half a cup of POP powder. You can also take baby powder or white cement. Then I have taken 3 tablespoons of white glue and some water. So friends, let's begin the process now. For that, here I am adding some water to my 3 tablespoons of white glue and giving it a proper mix. After mixing it, the consistency of the glue and the water should be like this. So add the water accordingly. Now after adding the water, here I am having half cup of POP powder and I am adding it little by little. Make sure that you're not adding all the POP powder at once because that will not mix properly. So just add it a bit by bit and give it a proper mix. Friends, if you're not having this white POP powder, you can also use white cement, ceramic powder or baby powder. All will give you the same result. Now I have added a few drops of water to it because I was feeling my textured paste is quite thick. You can also do the same till you get the consistency something like this. This is a creamy consistency because we are going to prepare the base with it. So now let's move to the second textured paste. The second texture paste is for making the petals and leaf like this. So when we are doing the sculpture painting, then we need a textured paste that is a thicker one. So for that I'm going to make this paste a bit thicker because this is a creamy consistency paste and this is for the base. And now we are going to add POP powder to make it thick. So here friends, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of POP powder to it, and after mixing we'll get a thicker paste something like this. So now we are done with 2 type of paste. The first one was for the base and the second one is for the sculpture painting. Now we are going to move on for the third type of paste, that is for the palette knife painting. Let's begin how to do that. First I'm taking a bowl and adding 2 tablespoons of POP powder. Instead of POP powder you can also add white cement, ceramic powder or baby powder. Now I'm adding the water to it. 2 tablespoons of water I'm adding here. Now I'm adding the white glue. White glue will be 1 tablespoon. Add all of them and give it a proper mix. And now after mixing it will look something like this. You can see the consistency of the paste. As you can see, it's a bit runny paste because we are going to do the palette knife painting with this. So I have made a paste which has a very thin consistency. So now I'll show you how to do the palette knife painting. For that, here I'm taking my palette. I was not having a palette, so I'm using a plate here, steel plate, and I'm taking all the paste at different places because we are going to add different colors to it. So here I'm adding red, blue and green color. You can add colors as per your choice. I'm going to make a floral painting. So for that I'm mixing colors of different. Now I have taken the palette knife which I got from Amazon. It's a very useful one. You can also buy this set and you get a 5 palette knife. Here out of this I'm taking the number 3 palette knife and I'm going to mix the color with the paste. Now one by one add the color with the paste, mix the color properly, and this is my green color and blue color. Now once the paste is mixed and our palette knife color is ready, we will now prepare the base. And for base, here I have taken MDF board and I'm taking the textured paste that we prepared in the first step, that was for the base, the sculpture paste for the base. And with the help of the palette knife I'm just spreading the paste and taking out the extra portion and scraping it and applying it again. Apply the paste nicely on the whole surface and cover the whole MDF base. So once you have covered the whole MDF and smoothen it up, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes to let it dry. And once it is dry, we'll start doing the palette knife painting. So for painting the palette knife painting, I'm taking the color on my MDF board and with the help of a earbud, now I'm going to spread these colors. So spreading these colors in the shape of petals, something like this. Spread all of them. Repeat the same process with the other colors. So now next I'm taking the yellow color and then the blue color, and again with the help of my earbud I'm spreading the colors in the shape of the flower. So once you're done with this, you can add the colors as per your choice. And now I'm adding the green color for the leaf on the leftover spaces. And once all of them is done, my painting is ready. You can see how beautiful this is looking. So friends, how you found my video, please comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear a response. For my latest upcoming video, subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.